may have crept up on how to get on this. It's a pity. Okay. Can I call you back? You know, I've always had the greatest respect. Matter of fact, I looked around once or twice and said, you would fit this chair well. That was until I realized that all isn't well. I used to think that your favorite drink was Heineken. You seem to have gone on to Mad Puss Pee. I can't afford to be held responsible for any crap you may do. So hear me now. Leave your weapon and your badge. Consider yourself on suspension indefinitely. And don't worry about whatever you've been working on. I've already had your desk cleared and handed to someone else in the interim. Anytime you get whatever you have ingested out of your system, the door is always open, but next time knock.
You know the good thing? Today I now know exactly how things are. I am on this side and the line draw. You are on that side. So now I know where I stand. And I know where the enemy stand.
It's not where I stand. It's where you put me. You drew your gun on me. And if my memory serves me correctly, that's the second time. See the first time? Accident. See the second time? Coincidence. There would be no third. Somebody will pay for that one. You want to know where the enemy is? Look within, sir. Look within. You want to dig too deep. Whoever said uneasy rests the head that wears the crown, don't know the half of it. Duty officer, check my office. I have a weapon for you to put in your armory.